Feeling lost at home? Speak the language of your furniture. This video will unlock the names of household items.
Dish, food holder. The pasta dish was overflowing with cheesy goodness. Spoon, soup scooper. Can I have another spoon for the ice cream? Fork, food stabber. Use your fork to twirl the noodles. Knife, food cutter. Be careful with the knife while slicing the bread. Plate, flat food holder. My plate held a delicious steak and vegetables. Glass, drink container. The tall glass was filled with sparkling water. Bottle, liquid container. The plastic bottle held cold, refreshing juice. Cup, drink holder with handle. I sip my morning coffee from a cup. Soap, slippery cleaner. Wash your hands with soap before eating. Brush, bristly cleaner. She used a brush to smooth out the knots in her hair. Toothbrush, teeth cleaner. Don't forget to brush your teeth before bed. Pillow, headrest. I fluffed my pillow for a comfortable sleep. Trash can, garbage bin. Please throw the apple core in the trash can. Box, cardboard container. The package arrived in a brown box. Thing, an object. What is that strange thing on the shelf? Ball, round shape. The children played catch with a red ball. Doll, toy person. The little girl dressed her doll in a fancy dress.
Now you can confidently navigate your home and impress your friends with your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more everyday English lessons.